Hey guys, welcome to the next lesson in our in our worship guitar series, and we are learning the song of Corey Asbury, Egypt, and yeah, it's a pretty easy song. It's just got 5 chords actually. The hardest chord in the song being the E/G sharp, but you don't need to know that. You can also just play a usual E, but the 1/3 E/G sharp. Okay, go ahead and print out the song and then you can follow along with me. Alright, cool. So the first verse, the intro is just on the 1, and we're doing it. The original of the song is on the capo on the 4th fret, but our song goes with I'm doing it on the 1st fret because it's just easier to sing there. Okay. You stepped into my Egypt, you took me by the hand, you marched on freedom into the promised land. Now I'll not forget you. It just sings really nice for me in that key. Alright, so the first verse is a 6-4-1-5 progression. Also the bridge or the pre-chorus is the same. Then the chorus is 6-4-1-5. Okay, so still the same. And then yeah, so the main part of the song is 6-4-1-5. Okay, cool. So let's go over it slowly. The verse, or let's just first do the chords, right? So C sharp minor, A, E, B. Now be sure to watch our video on chords in E so that you can know all the options that you have in the key of E. You first need to learn that. C sharp minor, A, E, B. Okay. Then we also have in the bridge the E/G sharp, which is like that. Let me just give you a close up of my hand there. E/G sharp. 4, mute the 5th string, 2nd fret, 4th fret, and then open. So that's your 1/3 chord. Okay, so your 6 is a C sharp minor, your 4 is an A, your 1 is an E, and your 5 is a B. Okay, cool. So let me just run through the verse quickly. I won't forget the wonder of how you brought deliverance, the exodus to my heart. You found me, you freed me, held back the waters from my release. Oh yeah. Verse 2, cloud by day, a sign that you brought me. Okay, now for the verses, let's do the strumming now, right? So for the verses, you can do it. Down, up, down, up. So So you alternate between ta 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 versus ta 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 ta. Okay, so it's a lot of the strumming has to do with listening for what the drums do. So if the drums have it's got that boom 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 boom, those are the two different strumming patterns. So the one is bounce bum bounce bum. Second one is doom doom down. So that's the way I'll do it. I'll do two strumming patterns with the song. So 1, 2, 3, 4. There on the pre-chorus you just kind of do a little down strum. Also with the chorus you can do you're the God who fights for me, Lord of every victory, hallelujah, hallelujah. You have torn apart the sea, you have led me through the deep, hallelujah, hallelujah. That kind of down with just the accents on the chords. You step. Okay, now let's do the bridge part. So before the bridge you have the 4 for a little while, and then you got another one. 3, 4, 1, 2, 3, 4, 1, 2, 3, 4, 1, 2, 3. So it's kind of like bluegrass type strumming. It comes from that. So you got this. You step into my Egypt. You took me by the hand. You marched me out of freedom into the promised land. Now I will not forget you. I'll stand all you've done. So those are the two options you have. The one you step into my Egypt. You took me by the hand. Or you can do, you step into my Egypt, you took me by the hand, you threw me out of freedom, into the promised land. Now I will not forget you, I'll sing of all you've done. Death is swallowed up forever by the fury of your love. You're the God who fights for me, Lord of every victory, hallelujah. Cool guys, happy jamming. If you want to play the song really in a fun way, then you could do it using the I Won't Let You Go, the previous song's type of chord. So you could do I won't forget. Oh, sorry. Won't forget the wonder I've delivering the exodus of my heart. You found me, you freed me. How about the water for my release? Oh Yahweh. So those are just using the techniques for the previous song, I Won't Let You Go, with this song. So instead, for the 6, you use C sharp minor. You're the God who fights for me, Lord of every victory, hallelujah, hallelujah. You have torn apart the sea, Lord of every victory, hallelujah, hallelujah. Yeah, you stepped into my Egypt. You took me by the hand. You marched me out of freedom into the promised land. Now I will not forget you. I'll sing of what you've done. side. Cool. So you can really that's why we're doing this in a series. So if you follow the videos along, they're kind of going to interconnect, and you can use the techniques of the one with the other. That's why it's a good idea to, when you're learning the key of E, to learn a bunch of songs in that key, so that when you are playing in that key any song, then you're like, oh, but I could use this from that song and this from that song, and it all connects, right? So if I use Egypt chords with that one, I mean, it's the same. You just do the open chords. So it's really cool to be able to do that. And yeah, have a nice day, guys. Cheers.